Yo, what's going on, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy BroVD. Hope you guys are having a great day, great night, good afternoon. Now into this video, I'm going to go ahead and install some new car parts on the Nismo. So it's going to show you guys what I picked up. Sheesh! Is that a hot boy right there? Is that a fucking Dominic? Hell yeah, it is. You guys already know. Look how filthy my car is. Oh my god. I need a car wash so bad. Super filthy, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and get this cleaned up and washed up because we are gonna be wrapping the roof today, gloss black. So we're gonna go ahead and take off these pillars right here. Sheesh. Yo, I picked up these Z1 long tube cold air intakes right here. These are the 3 inches. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this installed as well. I already took off the stock intakes, you guys could tell. So I did buy these used off some guy here. The filters are kind of dirty because they are used. He said he had it on his car for about maybe 3,000, 5,000 miles, so not too bad. I'm gonna go ahead and get these cleaned up. I'm gonna take off the filters and get them cleaned up, and then I'm gonna go ahead and install it on the Nismo. Let's get it.
Look at all that dookie water.
You see that bullshit? The left one is the clean one, the right one is the dirty one. So I'm gonna go ahead and clean up the right one, and that should be done in 3, 2, 1. Yo, check that out, guys. Both of them are clean as fuck now. I'm just waiting for it to dry so I could go ahead and install it.
Sick ass fool.
Got Spooky here that pulled up with his Q50. You guys already know, Dom, 3.7 boy. That Muerte 3.7. You got that meaty ass setup. Look at this. But yeah, guys, make sure you guys give him a follow. Super clean Q50 3.7. Yo, someone told Don to get a freaking car wash, yo.
Yeah, bird doo-doo. Oh, yeah.
Look at that. Alright, you guys, so this is what I use here to clean the filters. K&N Power Clean.
A few moments later.
I'm dead, guys. There's a fucking pack of IHOP Splenda in between the bumper and the frame. But yeah, we got the bumper taken off, guys. You guys can tell. It was super easy. Just a little 10 mil on the side, and then all the little clips you have right here. Alright, you guys, we just got done with the install. You guys could go in and take a look. Everything's all good to go. Super tight. I put the clamps on really tight so nothing's gonna get loose. And yeah, it was a pretty good install. I'm not gonna lie, it wasn't too bad. I know I didn't record too much of it, but yeah, it was just plug and play. Only thing that kind of sucked was I had to take off my front bumper. Gotta go ahead and give you guys a cold start so you guys can go ahead and listen to it with the exhaust and the new intakes. Obviously, it does give me a little bit more potential for horsepower gain. Once I do get tuned, I'm gonna be able to get a little bit more horsepower. So yeah, this does give you guys about 20 to 15 horsepower depending on who you guys get tuned by. I'm going to be vinyl wrapping the roof gloss black. So I got to go ahead and wipe this down with a microfiber towel, clean it up, go ahead and clay bar. I do want to wrap the pillar here as well. I want to wrap this right here.
A few inches later.
I just went ahead and laid the whole wrap on the roof, so it looks really good. Yeah, guys, go ahead and check that out. We just got done wrapping the roof. It looks really clean. There's like no air bubbles on it. I made sure I went with the squeegee back and forth, so there's no air bubbles whatsoever. So all this excessive wrap right here will be cut. I'm gonna go ahead and cut that. Make sure you guys don't cut into your guys' paint because that would mess up your guys' paint. Just finishing up, guys, tucking the last bit of the wrap. Yo guys, check this out. This looks absolutely crazy. I'm not gonna lie, I'm super happy with how this turned out. I got the pillars on both sides and I got the roof wrap. It looks super clean. Super impressed with the job that I did. Shout out to my girl too, because she helped me out with a little bit of the roof and the pillars. So shout out to my girl. But yo, check this out guys. This looks absolutely crazy. And yeah, I had the same pillars right here, the A pillars I believe. I had that wrapped on my other 370 and I just really love the look of it, so I had to do that again. And I had the roof wrapped as well, so I had to do that again. But yeah guys, that's gonna be it for this video. I hope you guys did enjoy it. I know the car is super filthy, needs a car wash ASAP. But yeah, once I get my wheels back from getting powder coating, I would for sure get a car wash, and then I'll show you guys the wheels, which should be the next video for you guys. And then I'm gonna also do my calipers right here. I'm gonna paint the Akabonos, so make sure you guys stay tuned for the next video. I'll catch you guys next time. Hit that thumbs up, drop a comment down below, and I'll catch you guys next time. Peace.